Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can achieve this beautiful senator pocket design. Right, sit back and watch this video to the end. I will tell you the secret on how you can achieve it. So please watch this video to the end. Every detail is important for you to achieve this beautiful senator pocket. Feel free to smash like and don't forget to share this same post to your friends on social media. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to click on subscribe and tell your friends about this and share it to your friends. Without further ado, let's go straight to the tutorial. Here is a piece of fabric, okay, that I cut out, and the width is almost 2.5 by 9 1/4. 2.5 by 9 1/4. Same, this is same. Okay, you produced 3 of these of the same length. We will take one piece of this fabric and we'll fold. What we want to achieve is we'll achieve while folding, we'll fold this way and fold this way, and the width we'll achieve is 1 1/4. 1 1/4 is what we achieve. So just take your iron and iron, please. As you can see, look at it. We have 1 1/4 and it's straight. All right. After doing this, all we just need to do, you can decide to put our hem stay, our hemming gum here to make your work neat. You want to have a neat work, right? You can decide to leave it this way. Okay. And then, as we have folded this, do same for this. See, I've done it. All right. So this is the piece of fabric that we'll be using for our pocket. All right. All we just need to do is to cut out. Okay. This is 6 inch. Cut out 6 inch. Okay, 6 inch by, that's the width, 6 inch by 9 1/4. 6 inch by 9 1/4. Okay. And so this is the pocket fabric we're going to use for the design. All right, this is my pocket interfacing. All right, the width is 4 3/4 by 4 3/4 by 6. 4 3/4 by 6. All I just and so what we need to do now is this: find the middle part of this pocket. Okay, the middle part. Find the middle part, locate the middle part, and this is the middle part. Okay, make a crease there. That is, make a sharp point. We want to see a visible sharp point there. All right, this is the line we are interested in. I want us to see this line. Yeah. Okay, it tells us of the middle part. And so what we need to do, this piece of fabric that we folded, okay, this is what we'll be placing at the middle part. This will be in the middle part of the pocket. Okay, all we just need to do is to find also the middle part of this, produce a crease, what people popularly call gator. Produce a gator here. All right, let's produce a gator. And so all we just need to do is place it at the middle. Okay, the middle part, let it follow the middle part of the pocket design. Okay, just to make it stay, put an interface here, all right, let it follow the line. Cloth around it. If you have steam iron, make use of steam iron. As you can see, I've done that on the middle part. Now, for the other part, this part that is folded, okay, look, make half inch away. Let it be half inch away from this. Okay, so half inch there, half inch here. All you just need to do is put a hemstay as well. Okay, put a hemstay. Let the hemstay be half inch away, half inch away, half inch away, half inch away. And so don't forget, it is the folded part that is then also for the left hand side here, make it half inch as well, half inch, half of an inch. Okay, so place this folded part your pressing pieces, place it on top of it, and if you have steam iron, use your steam iron. If you don't have, sprinkle water and iron. As we can see, it is glued to this fabric. So what we need to do is this: we fold the pattern of our pocket, right, half inch, and so all we just need to do is to fold. Okay. All we just need to do, take this to your weaving machine, okay, and weave this part. All right, you can go ahead, put a pressing pieces, sprinkle water on it, or you have your steam iron, you iron. Turn it as well. All right, this is the pocket.